What we are is primarily like an industrial machine shop. So we're a job shop, so like where we really shine is like low run and like prototypes and that sort of stuff.
We do engineering, designing, so we have multiple services that we can offer. We love doing interesting jobs. We like taking on the unusual and doing some of the challenging type things.
A lot of times companies, when something breaks, they need services right away. And so the Fabricating Center, being in our community, they can make it happen in a hurry. They don't have to, wait for days for service. They're right here to make things go. They're a real gem of a business to have in our community.
There is a tendency to think that you need to go to Toronto to get things made properly, or you need to go and buy it from somewhere online. But people are finding solutions right now within the Quinte area.
We have a large, diverse manufacturing sector that's growing. And to support those companies, we need companies like the Fabricating Center who can make the products they need, help with equipment installation, new technology. If they're growing, expanding, they need the support services, and the Fabricating Center is an example of how we can make that happen.
We offer turnkey solutions, so we can build a full assembly and offer all of the parts and hardware that goes with it.
Definitely one of the highlights of working at the Machining Center is being able to see the entire life of the project, from in its infancy to when it's kind of fully developed and going out the door. It's really fulfilling at the end of the day. You can look back on the project and say, wow, we accomplished that together.
I enjoy working on problems that I can actually get my hands dirty on. Working in a local capacity has always been an attraction for us, and we've had several people call us the MacGyvers of the area, if you wish.
My mom and dad started this business 30 years ago. Basically, we moved here and we bought this old place, and there wasn't much to it at the time.
The Machining Center was predominantly set up as a machine shop. With the creative background that we have, often we would get involved in things besides machining. Now with the next generation, what's actually happening is we want to bring the Fabricating Center now to the forefront to be equal with the machining.
We consider the business a family as well, and the people that are working for us or have worked for us have always felt like family.
We want to be able to support the families that are here involved in this business, and if we can benefit the customer while we're at it, then that's awesome.
The QEDC has been an important part of the Machining Center. When we were growing a number of years ago, the QEDC was an important part in that they offered training funds. There was initiatives to grow and to gain new technology. So we were able to get funds that we found out through the QEDC that enabled us to get some of the software we use, and has become a real key component to the Machining Center to be able to grow and to offer some of the expertise that we have right now.
I think it's an example of the level of entrepreneurship we have in this region. There's great companies doing products that are made here, shipped across the globe, and they're local family-owned businesses that are doing this. And to have that multi-generational family invest in this company is fantastic.
The QEDC has also been key in the area for bringing in new business and for also developing a community within the other plants in the area. So this isn't an area where we're all just working on our own, inside our own four walls. So there's a real sense of community growth and community together here in the Quinte area. Not only is it a great place to live, but it's also a great place to have a business and to be able to grow and work together.